Hello everyone, we are back again with another dish. This is called pesto pasta.
So today we will be preparing pesto pasta. It is actually a green colored sauce which is known as pesto. So for this we need to have our pesto ready, and for preparation of the pesto we have our basil leaves and little bit of or 2-3 cloves of garlic. So take those basil leaves and garlic, blend it properly or mix it properly and keep it aside. And while mixing the basil, please make sure you add little bit of olive oil in it. Next, our pesto is ready. The next thing we have is the pasta. So for the pesto pasta we have used macaroni pasta. So our macaroni pasta is already being done. The time we cook the pasta, it needs to be the water, it needs to be boiling hot, plus you need to add little bit of salt and little bit of oil in it, so that it doesn't stick. So our macaroni pasta is ready. So now we will take a pan, we will take little bit of olive oil, over there we will put little bit of garlic in it, then we will put the pesto over there. Cook it for some time, for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we will just add the macaroni pasta over there. That's all.
So let's ask about this dish. So tell me about this dish, about the history of this dish.
So the history is normally it started from the Roman Empire.
Oh, that's really interesting.
So beforehand they were preparing different varieties of pesto. Pesto is a type of mixture.
All right.
So to say, if I say in Indian origin, we have chutneys. Chutneys and all.
Sauce we can
yes.
say. Yeah.
So that same thing. So for pasta, so as you can see in pesto pasta, I have added macaroni this time.
Yeah, that's what.
Yes, macaroni, because macaroni is quite common in our Indian household.
Exactly.
So I have added this macaroni. So few things we actually need to remember while preparing pasta.
All right.
First thing is the sauce, and next thing is the pasta itself.
All right.
So for boiling pasta, it's an art.
Okay.
When the pasta is well done, it is known as al dente. Al dente. So which we need to actually know when we need to scoop out the pasta from boiling water.
Right.
Same as noodles, for the time we boil pasta, we need the water, it needs to be boiling hot first of all, and we need to add salt and oil in it.
Alright.
And one easy tip to know if the macaroni is cooked properly, the time we add the pasta or the macaroni to the water, it doesn't jumps. The time it's properly cooked, it actually dances over the water.
Alright.
That's the thing.
Okay.
So that time we can say that yes, the pasta is al dente. Al dente means perfect.
Perfectly cooked.
Yes.
Yeah, that's really a very good thing. I came to know. Or we often say a word in French called bon appetit.
Yes.
It truly justifies that. So can you tell me one more thing? Why the pasta is green? So do you add some kind of coriander or
no. It's not actually coriander. It is basil. Basil leaves.
Yes.
Right. In Indian, we normally in India it is known as meetha tulsi.
Meetha tulsi, stevia.
Yes, meetha tulsi. It's not the tulsi that we have
Exactly.
in our garden.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's little bit bigger in shape. It has a very good freshen aroma in it, same like mint, but it doesn't the taste. It's not bitter. It's sweet. So the combination of pasta with basil, it's amazing.
Okay, that's really nice. So guys, today we came to learn about something new. This pasta, this macaroni is really very good stuff. And as we all know, like there are many kind of pasta. Even macaroni is one family of pasta.
Yes.
Am I right, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
So yeah, if you want to know more about such thing, you need to stay tuned to us. Till then, we'll be back again. We'll have another dish. So bye bye. See ya.